Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. Get you a little bit of box action. Get this label. This shoe reads the Nike Dunk High Retro Orange, Deep Roll, and Blue. These out of here. Get this shoe together. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, especially if you're a New York Knicks fan, I just collect all of the shoes made out of standard dunk material. Nothing spectacular. Like I said, New York Knicks colorway. Let me move this back a bit. Sorry guys. So if you're a Knicks fan, I can't see why you didn't want this shoe. Price of this shoe is went all over the place. I think I paid about 70 bucks for this shoe, maybe 80 bucks. Like I said, I really enjoy these shoes. Can't really go wrong with the Dunks. Orange bottom. This side of the shoe more orange and blue. Orange Nike swoosh. Front view of the shoe. Like I said, not a bad shoe. I think they could have gave you some better quality laces, but you know, it's a Dunk. So standard Dunk back. Nothing special in the shoe. You guys are looking at the shoe. It's gonna look like when the shoe is on your feet. Know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Like I said, I got a ton of shoes to go through. As soon as I do go through, I'll post them all and let you guys know. Like I said, let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel. Everybody have a nice day. Make sure you stay safe out there. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. I'm not really a New York Knicks fan.